I need to report a theft. I need to report a theft.
Excuse me, where can I file a complaint? Excuse me, where can I file a complaint?
Please come here and tell me what happened.
Okay, thank you.
Please come here and tell me what happened.
My mobile phone was stolen yesterday. My mobile phone was stolen yesterday.
I see. Let me take a look at that. Where did the theft happen? Where did the theft happen?
It happened near the bus station. It happened, it happened near the bus station.
What time did it happen? What time did it happen?
It happened around 6 in the evening. It happened around 6 in the evening.
Can you describe your phone? Can you describe your phone?
It is a black smartphone with a blue cover. It is a black smartphone with a blue cover.
Do you know the phone's model number? Do you know the phone's model number?
Yes, I have the purchase receipt. Yes, I have the purchase receipt.
Thank you. This will help our investigation. Thank you. This will help our investigation.
I hope the phone can be found. I hope the phone can be found.
We will do our best. We will do our best. Now I will prepare the FIR. Now I will prepare the FIR.
Do I need to sign anything? Do I need to sign anything?
Yes, please sign here. Yes, please sign here.
Here is my signature. Here is my signature.
Your complaint has been registered. Your complaint has been registered.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
This is a copy of your FIR. This is a copy of your FIR.
I will keep it safely. I will keep it safely.
We will contact you if we find new information. We will contact you if we find new information.
How long will the investigation take? How long will the investigation take?
It depends on the evidence we receive. It depends on the evidence we receive.
I understand. Thank you again. I understand. Thank you again.